We are cleaning modification of a wreck pond. We didn't build it, but we're taking care of it. So I got this thing all cleaned out, power wash cleaned down. They have this gravel slate enter. I got that clean, so it's nice and easy to walk into. And then the bottom, which this thing is 3.5 feet with a waterfall. Not super my style, but we got it nice and clean. Does have a skimmer. Has a biofalls. Not big enough, but that's okay because they have an external canister system here that probably does a decent job. So if you're looking for someone to help with your cleaning, taking care of regular maintenance, give us a call. If you're looking for a one-off service of just someone to come and clean, let us know as well. Donna's in the office. She'll take care of everything. But we're going to continue wrapping up. It's a wrap. Now we got to leave this thing filling. Not great water pressure. This thing will take a while to fill. They'll just have to flip a switch and get it turned on. But probably tomorrow, I'm going to guess, based on their water pressure. So we'll check back because we'll be back here to do regular maintenance and we'll show you what it looked like all nice and running. And like that, we are filling. Who says you need an autofill? This is their setup. Hose bib next to it, check. So we're filling this thing up. It's going to take some time, but they're being filled up. And then we have to just start it up and we'll be back. Probably tomorrow to try and start it up for them.